When it comes to meeting the challenges of climate change, we have technologies that can make a big difference in the way we'll use energy in the future. And they involve every pipe, every system, every building, and every city.
By 2030, they want a carbon emission reduction of 50% of 2005 levels.
Rainwater harvesting is becoming increasingly popular in all building types. One of our biggest opportunities to protect water is by installing and maintaining efficient water distribution systems.
We're going to see our buildings shift from a fossil fuel energy usage to an all-electric usage. So we have to let them know the heat pump product families that are available for a district network that can exchange thermal energy building to building.
It's critical that our local unions participate in those conversations to make sure that strong labor standards are part of the policies that influence our market.
The UA is in a great position, more so than any other international, to hit all the sectors of all the above energy approach, which is a wonderful thing for our members.
We're the solution. Our signatory contractors, our rank and file members are going to meet that demand.
The United Association is meeting that demand right now across North America. The sustainable sector is growing fast, and high-performance building strategies include clean energy, thermal energy exchange, and hydrogen generation and distribution. The UA is working with builders, engineers, architects, and contractors to expand our efforts in this area.
We are seeing the complete transformation of the energy grid right in front of our eyes. Change is never easy, but we need to seize the opportunity that presents itself with high-performance infrastructure, with clean technology, hydrogen, carbon capture. Everything that the UA is engaged in and trains for, we're ready to go.
It creates a massive opportunity for great jobs and a huge reinvestment in our country.
Wind and solar may get the most attention, but there's a much more scalable solution out there. Heat pumps working with thermal energy exchange networks. In the simplest terms, thermal exchange means using energy that might otherwise be wasted, like hot water from showers and washing machines, or cool water from lakes and rivers. We're talking about miles and miles of pipes in all our cities.
So our thermal energy networks will be installed by our nation's piping trade unions. We're going to see lots of new pipelines going in our cities.
Pipelines have always been the work of the UA, and thermal energy exchange networks are just one of the newest kinds of work that we'll be doing.
Think of how technology has changed in the last 130 years of our existence. We have to adapt to the change. We have to move into the new technologies, and if we don't, we're going to be left behind and someone else is going to be doing that work.
We're poised and ready to be able to install those systems.
The UA has been developing high-performance building initiatives for several years, including heat pump water heaters, heat transfer between buildings, and hydrogen boilers and water heaters. The sustainable training trailers developed by the UA Training Department demonstrate the energy-saving systems used in residential and commercial buildings.
The stuff that we're doing here today, these guys are going to bring this stuff back to each of their locals and provide their members with the ability to just get out in front of this work, which is so critical.
New decarbonization regulations across America will require new buildings to be all electric and energy efficient. Incentive programs are rewarding the use of heat pumps for home heating and cooling, as well as for water heating.
UA members and signatory contractors are uniquely qualified to perform this type of work. It's the work that our members are doing every single day. This is a big opportunity that we have in front of us.
Billions of dollars are going to be invested state by state to make this transition happen. It means not only a better environment, but it means tons of jobs.
The UA has the most skilled and best trained workforce in the industry. And for over 130 years, we've changed with the times. High-performance infrastructure is a new way for us to build market share and take America into a bright energy future.